Hello friends, administrated prices is one of the most important pricing strategy or methodology which can be used by the various cartels or business federations and government agencies, either it may be central government agency or state government agency. Today we will discuss about this methodology and its importance. Administrated price is the price determined by an authority and not purely by the market forces. This is the most important aspect of this particular methodology. In case of other methodology, the different market forces are contributes in the pricing decisions. It may be demand, cost of production, revenue, objective of the firm, supply of the product, market expectations, quality of the products, etc. But in case of administrated prices, all these market forces are not playing important role in the pricing practices. Administrated prices are described as those prices which are arbitrarily fixed by the government or government authorities. They are the result of government control and intervention in the market. It means administrated prices is the one of the measure or tool for the government intervention in the market system, where government tries to regulate or control the pricing practices and selling and buying of the goods and services. This concept was firstly described by economist Gardner Means, which is American economist, and Adolph Burley is the American lawyer, in their book which is written in 1932 named The Modern Corporations and Private Property. In this book, the Gardner and Adolph describe the administrated prices system which is applied by the various corporates or big business firms. Administrated pricing is an attempt to establish price for the entire market. It is an attempt for the establishment of the prices for entire market of the particular goods. Such prices may be arranged through the cooperation of the competitors. It means such price may be defined on the basis of common platform, which can be said cooperation of the different competitors through national, state or local government. It can be decided by the central government, state government or local government or international organizations through the agreements. There are some business organizations, international organizations which make agreements between different countries or different business organization for the pricing strategy. Such a business organizations or forums tries to establish such type of price that is known as a administrated prices. The legality of the administrative pricing agreements of various kinds and differs from country to country and from time to time. There are different types of provisions or legal provisions in different countries or economies. On the basis of these provisions, the administrative pricing strategy has been applied. Commonly, These prices are fixed by the government. These prices are fixed by the cartels, market leaders, or by agreement. They are statutory or regulatory in nature. Generally, administrated prices are statutory or regulatory in the nature. They are corrective measure or protective measure, which is applied by the government or government agencies. They are part of the pricing policy of the government or cartels. Many times, this methodology is applied as a tool or part of the pricing policy of the government, or it can be applied by the business cartels, or in case of collusive oligopoly as a part of their pricing policy. Administrated prices are the prices set by the firm that do not vary in response to short-run fluctuation in the demand and supply conditions. Sometimes the private business or corporate firms set the prices which are not vary in response to short-run fluctuation in the demand and supply conditions. An administrative price is dictated by the entity that supersede the effect of supply and demand. That is nothing but it is a business leader which dictated the price to others. For example, the government regulatory commissions can set the price at which electricity will charge to customers. In case of Maharashtra, Maharashtra Power Distribution Corporation Limited set the prices, and other producers are following this pricing strategy. Administrative price aim to providing stable and assured income to the farmers, especially under the unfavorable climatic conditions. In many countries, the government set the administrative prices for the specific agricultural products for providing stable prices and assured income to the farmers. In case of India, minimum support price and statutory minimum price are the mechanism for the protecting interest of the farmers. Administrative price also aim to protecting the interest of the weaker section of the society. In case of selling of goods and services, the government sets the selling prices of the specific commodities, goods or services which are important for the weaker section of the society. These are the important objectives of the administrative prices: to provide certain basic necessary goods and services to economical weaker sections. In case of economically weaker sections, certain goods and services should be utilized for sustain their lives and their daily consumption habits. Hence, the government fixes the administrative prices of certain goods and services to protect the interest of the certain consumers against high prices. Some goods and services are essential or important for the consumers, but some sellers are going to sell their products at high prices. In such a conditions, government or authority tries to regulate these prices through the administrative prices to curb or increase the consumption of certain items. If government wants to reduce the consumption of certain items, the government can set the higher prices. Or in case of government assumes consumptions of certain commodities or services should be increased, hence in such condition government will reduce the price of that particular goods or services. To maintain the price of essential raw material so as to avoid the cost and price escalation, especially during the period of shortage and rising prices. In case of rising prices or shortage of the raw material, or inputs. Many raw material providers take the misadvantage of such a conditions. Hence, government may take an intervention and regulate the prices through the administrative pricing mechanism. To ensure the right kind of allocation of the input resources among the different users, government may use this particular tool for the distribution of various resources to different categories of the consumers or citizens. To certain inflation, to contain inflation and ensure the price stability. To reduce inflation or control the inflation and ensure the price stability in the economy, government may take initiatives through the administrative pricing system. To counter stagflation and consequent recession, they are used by the government. To mobilize revenue for the government can take this particular system or utilize this particular methodology for the revenue mobilization also. To improve the living standard of the masses and promote their economic welfare. To ensure equitable distribution of the certain goods which are scarce in the supply. To achieve macroeconomic goals like welfare, equity, justice, and stability. This methodology can be applied. These are some important examples of the administrative prices. First is minimum support price. Minimum support price is the pricing strategy which is used by the Government of India. Before the harvest during the each Rabi and Kharif crop season, the Government of India announced the minimum support price for the procurement on the basis of the recommendation of CACP, that is Commission of Agriculture Cost and Prices. In India, MSP is announced for the specific agriculture commodities, mostly the food grains. Statutory minimum price is the methodology which is adopted by the cash crops like sugarcane. The statutory minimum price is announced by the central government based on the cost of cultivation estimated by the Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices. It is also known as a fair and remunerative pricing. Is used in the sugarcane industry to replace the minimum support price. It is based on the Rangarajan Committee report of the recognizing the sugarcane industry. Third example is the price set by the different cartels like OPEC. OPEC is oil producing and exporting countries. This is the organization of the petroleum producers. They set the price of the various products of the petroleum. These are some important examples of the administrative prices. Thank you.